So hey guys, we are back with our Brainiacs Unplugged, the homeschooling talk show. And today we are having Mrs. Anupita Shetty with us. She's our homeschooling parent from last couple of years. And just like the Govardhan Shetty is in grade 10th, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. So ma'am, again I will give you the introduction about this show. In Brainiacs Unplugged, the homeschooling talk show, majorly we are talking about the homeschooling concept. That's because this is a very new concept in India. And very few parents know about this. Correct. What is your favorite part about homeschooling? Yeah, you can
The
answer.
favorite part of homeschooling is that we get enough time for doing other activities. Like I play cricket, so I get time for that.
Okay.
After my homeschooling is done, I play cricket and watch videos, play.
Understood. That's really great. So, ma'am, what you think? What is the favorite part of this about homeschooling concept?
That the students can get to balance
Okay.
their sport, their play, what their interests are, along with the studies. That is that is the best thing, and that is why I chose homeschooling for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, majorly, as per you, this the student will be getting the equal amount to
Yeah.
invest in extracurricular
Yeah,
activities
because-
along with academic.
Yeah, because with offline schooling, what happens? I think 50% of the day goes in school,
Okay.
and after that, when they come back, they're again back with their homework and
Everything.
then projects and
Correct.
so
Correct.
yeah, that is also good. But I preferred this for him,
This format for
where
him.
he could he could devote time to all other things also. What he
I
likes.
can see subjects what I'm interested in.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one of the most important thing the students are choosing
Yeah.
homeschooling, that they can choose subject what they want to learn.
Yeah,
Correct. Correct.
they
So-
have more choice.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
have more choice. So just like as Govardhan told me, कि just like he is doing different activities. So what type of activities just like he used to do after the school?
Means now with
Yeah, now
homeschooling,
with
you're saying, yeah,
homeschooling.
he's supposed to play cricket every day.
Okay.
Yeah, then he likes swimming also, so he does that.
Okay,
Then,
that's really
yeah.
great. Hmm.
So and even other whatever he loves, he can find time to do that.
So majorly I think is whatsoever activities he learned to do, he are willing to do from so long.
Yeah.
Then now he is doing
Yeah.
that. That's really good. Do you think just like homeschooling will a good concept in upcoming future? What your thought on that?
See, everybody has their own opinion and views. So
Correct.
and there are a lot of differing views in
Conflicts,
this.
yeah. Hmm.
But I feel it's nice because only thing we have to take care of discipline.
Hmm.
Because what happens with school, there is proper discipline
Correct.
throughout the day. So the parents have to just take care that they maintain that discipline throughout the day, and they decide that this time he should give to studies, this time for play, this time for other hobbies, other
Okay.
interests, some entertainment.
And
So
it's
if it is done with proper
Management.
understanding and management, I'm telling you, it is the best thing we can give to the students.
okay, that's really
Yeah.
good. So again, it's like a as you told me, कि the complete management and complete timetable, scheduling the timetable.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the one of the reason. That's the reason we are having a fixed timetable for the kids.
Yeah.
Correct. So apart from that, how do you balance teaching and taking care of other responsibility for the child?
Yeah, I'm very fortunate to be having got associated with it, because then what is happening, the coaching part is taken care of.
Okay.
Because online schooling
Online
is
schooling, right?
so yeah, I have to overlook and supervise, and he's like studying on his own also, so it's manageable.
That's-
Because through online schooling he's getting to learn, his studies are taken care
taken care of. That's really. And one last question: what is the most challenging aspect of homeschooling? What you feel like?
of. As I mentioned that if you're not disciplined and you don't keep that proper timetable, and then things may go haywire. Yeah.
Understood. So it's basically.
So if you want to really get the best out of it, you have to maintain that discipline and proper management.
Okay.
And also just one thing, the social aspect, because in school they meet friends and they meet people, so that the parents have to take extra effort to see to it that the child, doesn't get cut off from the social environment.
Yeah. We at Brainiacs, we completely agree on that part. That's the reason we come up with, as you told me, discipline and the social engagement.
Yeah.
These are the two major points that every homeschooling parent have to be taken care.
Yeah.
Correct. So for you can say discipline, we are having a complete fixed timing, and for social initiatives, we are also coming up with hybrid mode.
Yeah.
Where now I guess you will be getting once a month, every month you will be getting
I've
a hybrid
attended
activity
that.
from our end. Correct. And this is one of the thing that will be, we will, just because we completely focus on peer to peer learning, and we believe that the peer to peer learning is equally important as compared to just like a learning from books or any other sources.
Yes.
Correct. So these are the things. Apart from that, if I give you just like, if I ask you the complete feedback of Birla Brainiacs, how you just like the Birla Brainiacs, what are your suggestions over that, the Birla Brainiacs, the homeschooling?
Yeah, we are quite happy.
Okay.
Because the teachers are also good. They're teaching really nicely.
This year we are introducing assignments where Govardhan will be getting n number of questions over the app. And whenever he is just like giving the answer, he accordingly he will be getting the results. For an example, he has done his chapter the solids of physics. So now he or she can give the test and get the results. So he or she will be confident enough ki, yeah, for this chapter I am clearing 80%, 90% scoring. That means this chapter is completely clear with me.
Yeah.
Correct. So this type of just like you can say different features we are introducing now.
That
Correct.
will be good.
Yeah. So Govardhan, any feedback, any suggestion for Birla Brainiacs from your end?
No, I'm happy.
You are happy with? You love to play cricket. Someday definitely we will be. It's again in the pipeline. We will be having one cricket match in the same school only.
Oh, wow.
So we are having a
Lovely.
turf on the top floor. Cricket turf is on the top floor in the
Oh.
same building. Correct. So we can have just like a students cricket
we will be
match.
really looking forward.
100%. So for all grades, we will be having this. Apart from that, definitely as you just given me the suggestion, discipline and these things, we will be definitely taking care. Thank you so much everyone to be there. Thank you.